Greetings for our topic in our new week 9 module, that is route planning by table, in which we are going to make a waypoints by coordinates, otherwise known as alphanumeric method. In your toolbar right here, you will click the icon of route plan. As you click on the icon of route plan, what will appear is the waypoint coordinates. Right there you can see new waypoint, in which we have a default name of WP-001, which means that is for waypoint 001 or waypoint number 1, in which you are going to enter in terms of alphanumeric. When we talk of alphanumeric, that is, let me zoom in the video for you. Okay. That is by entry of letters and numbers. In the first coordinates of latitude, you have there the default of 00. You will change that according to the entries of your latitude. Let us take, for example, that your first latitude is in terms of 50 degrees. Let me arrange this 00, and then I will type just 50. No need to input the symbol of degrees, as long as it will be separated by the space between the degrees and minutes. Okay. Again, so I have entered 50 degrees, in which I just type 50, and then for the value of minutes of 55, I will just type 55. If there are decimal numbers to be input, you may do so up to 3 places. And then suffix by the label. If it is north, you just type in the end. For longitude, let us take, for example, our longitude is 001. So I'll just type 001. Let me arrange. Let me exclude one of the zeros. Separated by the space again. And then the corresponding minutes of the longitude, in which my value is 30 minutes. Again, suffix by the label E to indicate is. So after the latitude and longitude has been entered, you just click OK and U. Waypoint 2 will be the next to be entered as I click on the OK and U. So type the value for the coordinates for waypoint number 2. In this case, my value is 51. I'll just type 51. And the minutes is 01. I'll just type 01. Take note that I am not placing any symbol or any text to denote that symbol for degrees and minutes. For the longitude, the degrees is also 001, but the minutes has to be changed to 39. I'll just arrange the 0 and place 9. let us assume that I am only creating two waypoints, then I will just click OK. So if you are creating a lot of waypoints, several waypoints for that matter, okay, you just have to click OK and New for the next waypoint. If it is the last waypoint, that is the time that you will click OK. Again, so if you are still creating another waypoint, you will have to click OK and New. But if it is the last waypoint, you just have to click OK to end the entries for our route plan. So in this case, I just created two waypoints. This is my last waypoint. I just have to click OK. The entry box will disappear, and in your route plan table, it is automatically placed there, the route plan elements. So waypoint 001, 50, 55, 0 latitude, and then longitude of 00130, which I have entered a while ago. So goes for waypoint number 2. And that waypoint will also appear on your chart like so. So you have the waypoint, the leg between the waypoints, and waypoint number 2 just above. Okay. To create a name for your waypoint, or route plan rather, we will now change the file name of your route. To change that, you will have to click route properties. There is just a glitch in our simulator in which the value is being entered in radar. So we just have to click or drag this entry box into ECDIS. So I just drag it nearby the route plan table. Okay, so this is where you change the value or the name of your route plan. For example, the route plan name is Voyage 017 Dover. Okay, observe, as I close on this entry box for the route, the name will automatically be changed in your route plan table. Okay. Close the value of the route, the entry box, and then the name appears at your route plan table. Voyage 017 Dover. If we want to activate the route, you may do so at the route plan table. Right there at the option box, activate route, or you may activate that in terms of the leg. You just right click on the leg and then click activate. So any which way, I will activate the route, click activate, and then your active waypoint will now appear. Active waypoint means that is the route in which the vessel is proceeding to. Okay, we can see at the lower part of your ECDIS, that is your own vessel, proceeding at waypoint number 1, which is marked by two bold circles, if you can see. So that is the vessel or the waypoints in which your vessel is proceeding to, and we call that the active waypoint, indicated by the color red in that waypoint. After the vessel has proceeded in that waypoint, it will automatically change to the next waypoint, which is waypoint number 2, until you have finished the waypoint. So in our activity, you will plot a certain points on the chart and then extract the latitude and longitude, okay, and then that coordinates of latitude and longitude will be entered in the ECDIS. After you have entered that in the ECDIS, you will create your own route plan. Thank you for listening. Hope you can create this when we have our activity. Thank you.